Have you ever wondered what $3 million can get you in Bexley? Well, we have an exclusive look at this 6,500 square foot home. This is truly a one-of-a-kind property, and I want you to come take a look.
I thought I saw smoke run down and color the sea, discreet difference in the movement now.
So let's start in the backyard. This is a perfect entertainer's dream. You have the bluestone patio, an amazing garden right around the corner, as well as to store all your toys, a 4-car garage.
For you to cocoon my heart and pull apart its value. You pull me out of the dark into another light.
So moving on to the first floor, the owners have done an amazing job at restoring the original charm of this property. The floor plan is ideal for both small and large gatherings. My personal favorite room is the library. The custom bookshelves add a very sophisticated touch.
This is the start, just pull me through tonight.
Welcome to the amazing kitchen. The 3 things you don't want to miss are the gourmet appliances, the lighting, and also how the colors work so well with the cabinetry.
Any more dissolved than you have me. The light can't help cooling out for you. I dilute the dark, you're my counterpart, I need you.
Our last stop is the owner suite, fit for a king. You can grab some rays on the rooftop terrace, you can soak in the tub in the ensuite bathroom, and you can also pick out your next wardrobe in the amazing custom closet.
You pull me out of the dark into another light. And this is the start, just pull me through tonight.
So there you have it, $3 million in Bexley, Ohio. Thank you for joining me today. And for more content like this, please like or subscribe. And if you're thinking about buying a home, get a hold of us. We'll see you next time.